You know what I want to know as I've been going through TikTok? I really want to know what the hell is in the water that these kids are drinking, because they are all gorgeous. Every single one of these kids. And when I think back to when I was that age, I'm just like, why is there such a huge discrepancy? We were ugly as hell in the 90s. I'm just gonna dive in today. I got some of these really cute jars. I got 3 of them because I'm gonna be doing some reorganization in my pantry. I'm also thinking about painting the lids maybe white or black. Just kind of depends on what I do in there, just to keep everything looking uniformed. Buying these at Dollar Tree for $1, let me tell you, are a steal. I looked up some of these organizational products on Amazon, the Container Store. They're very expensive. So spending $1 is a must for me. All right, I picked up some more of these limoncello candles because I raved about them in my last haul, because they smell fantastic when you smell them straight from the jar. However, I lit one recently and I could not smell it that much. I don't know if it's because I put it in my entryway and that's a really large space, so having and really tall ceilings. So I don't know if this just wasn't strong enough for that space, or I have a lot of allergies going on, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Probably not. But I'm gonna burn this in my guest bathroom in a smaller, more confined space and see if I can actually smell it. But it will end up in a Dollar Tree review so that you can kind of see like my final thoughts. I'm gonna be doing a Dollar Tree review on products in probably in a couple weeks or so. I just need some time to test everything out. I found some more candles, and these are really gorgeous. They remind me of the ocean. The bottoms are clear. I've never seen Dollar Tree do that. And I love the colors because, again, it just looks like the ocean waves. And then the top has a coastal look to it, which is so pretty for $1. And they don't have names though. I mean, it says, they both say Serenity, but they both smell different. So I don't know what's up with that. Okay, let's get into some really cute mugs. It's been a while. I keep venturing down the dinnerware section, keep wishing for new stuff, and finally I saw these mugs. So pretty, this blush baby pink, and then this one has the pink on the camera's washing it out, by the way. So do not take the camera color for it, for whatever, it's a couple shades darker. I mean, this is so cute. By the way, here is a gift idea. If you feel like, you know, or if you know someone that has a cold or allergies, or they're just not feeling great, you could take one of these mugs because they're big enough, and you can fill it with honey, you can fill it with cough drops, tea bags, one of those little like packets of tissues, and even like roll up a little crossword puzzle book and put it in here, and that would be a cute little gift. Okay, so there's that. Let's get into some food-ish items for a second. I found this massive bottle of lemon juice for $1. I don't even know what to say. There's that. And then I've been wanting to drink some coconut water. Over on my Instagram, I asked you guys for some coconut water recommendations. And I actually got one that one of you recommended from Walmart, but this one says Azul Coconut. I don't know what kind of brand this is, if it's any good. This one does say with coconut pieces in it. I'm probably not gonna try this on camera today, but you never know. If I do, it will be at the end of this video. But it says I have to shake well and keep chilled, which I have not chilled yet, but for better flavor. So anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna be trying that today. And then I found this coconut oil by Butcher's Boy. I've never seen this coconut oil before, but I was really interested in this. This is women's owned and non-GMO. I don't know, let me know if I found a steal for $1. And then I picked up one of these mocha drinks. I think I've actually picked this up before. I think I have, because I remember this being red and the other one having a blue label for vanilla. So the red label is for mocha, and it's an iced latte. So I picked up one of those. And then I found this awesome bag of goldfish. Finally, something name brand at Dollar Tree that's different that I haven't seen before. And this is the ranch flavored goldfish. I think this is a great snack, especially when my niece comes over. You know, little kids, goldfish, you can't go wrong with it. Speaking of my niece, then I found these at the Dollar Tree for $1. These are beech nuts, or the brand is Beech Nut. These are fruities, and this says breakfast. And I could not believe that I found this there for $1. I haven't done any sort of pricing comparison. I'll try to look it up, but if you know if I got a deal, please comment down below. But found that at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna keep that, you know, in the pantry. Can you keep it in the pantry? Or do you put this in the fridge? I think you can keep this in the pantry. But if you can't, let me know. Okay, so then, oh, this product right here. Okay, quick little backstory. Domino's has the best brownie cookie dessert thing ever. It is by far one of the best desserts I've ever had in my life. And yes, from the pizza place, Domino's. And it looks like this. It looks like that brownie blondie mix. And I found this at the Dollar Tree, Continental Chef. It's a brand that I've seen there trickle in and out. I don't think it's one of the top brands that's out there, but I'm gonna give this a go. And it says with semi-sweet chocolate drops right here. And I noticed in the Domino's version, they do have some sort of like chocolate chip or chocolate chunk in there. So I am very excited to do this. I'm actually gonna be vlogging this weekend. So this recipe is gonna go up on my vlog channel sometime next week. So if you wanna see any recipes from me, you should know that's over on my vlog channel. I've done a lot of recipes. My planner stuff has moved over there, and then I just daily vlog as well. On this last trip, I had to remind myself that I needed some new wine glasses. The only thing I have on hand are holiday ones that have the prints, like fall and Christmas. I realized, I'm like, where are my regular wine glasses? I guess I ended up donating them because when I moved from the last house to this house, I really was trying to get rid of a lot of stuff. And then when my daughter came home, she tried that whole TikTok coffee drink or whatever, and we didn't actually have any sort of cute drinkware to put it into. And I thought that these would be really pretty because you could also put like desserts in here in this shape, but you know, you could also have yourself a glass of wine. So not that I do that very often, but I had to get some. I only got 2 glasses. I really didn't need to stock up on that many, just because I don't entertain or host. So I just didn't need to have stuff like that. Okay, next let me show you. Sorry I keep clearing my throat, but man, the allergies. I found some new cleaning stuff at Dollar Tree, which I can't believe I'm saying because they've been pretty stagnant lately. I feel like the cleaning stuff just hasn't been being updated whatsoever, but they finally did. So I found this, this handle, okay, in black. As you can see, they sold it just like this with nothing at the bottom, but then they were selling additional attachments. Look at this packaging. What? That will also fit. And the colors, black, white, very chic. I absolutely love this. Definitely. And then I found these as well. The only problem with these is I couldn't quite understand what I'm supposed to attach this to. So I don't know if there was an additional, I'm sure there's supposed to be some additional part that these go to. But microfiber mop pad, and then both of these. This one's heavy duty. This one says heavy duty, and this one says light duty, by the way. And then I found this one, the duster mop. What? I'm so impressed, but I obviously can't use these because I don't have the attachment that's supposed to go with those, but I'm definitely gonna be on the lookout for them. Okay, in a recent Dollar Tree video, I did like a top 25 plus of my favorite Dollar Tree products. I took you guys into the store with me and just pointed out all of my favorite things. One of them was the envelopes. I absolutely love the envelopes at Dollar Tree. I don't need to get them anywhere else. $1. And I do have some bills that I actually do just like mail in. So I do it old school because some of them will charge you an online fee, and I'm like, no, I'm not trying to be tricked like that. So I will just mail stuff in. And they have the little peel and stick, so you don't have to use your tongue and all that. And there you go, your tongue. Oh yeah, licking it, yeah. That just came out really weird. Okay, the next product is a grill cleaner. Okay, I'm not trying to hype this up too much, but this is at the Dollar Tree for $1, and that's really impressive. I just don't know what to say. I've never seen a grill cleaner like this at Dollar Tree. They do have one that has like a flat, just a flat, like, you know, scour kind of thing, but I've never seen one that looks like this. So this is definitely brand new. So that was exciting. Then I found this Himalayan pink salt, fine grain. I think the packaging is really interesting. It's really, really cute. Salt 84. I've never heard of this, so if I got some sort of deal for $1, let me know. Kosher certified, vegan certified, non-GMO, and it's pink Himalayan salt. It also says 100% naturally pure on the back. Oh my gosh, I think it was a great find, but I don't know if I got like a super awesome deal for $1. Okay, then I also picked up some more batteries. I need to buy some more of my LED flameless candles, and these are gonna be for those. I also finally found some more command hooks, so I got some of those as well. This is a great deal, I think, at Dollar Tree. Sometimes at Walmart, they do sell them like multiples to a pack for like $2 or $3, so maybe it's kind of it's kind of right there on the fence, but I still always pick some up, and I just use these to hang wreaths throughout the house. This is a pretty random item, but I wanted you guys to see their new solar lights. Anytime they put out new solar lights, I buy them because I want to share them with you guys. But this one's really cool because you can actually adjust the head of it, and then you just remove the tab and then let the sun beam down on the solar panel at the top, and it's a cute little sunflower. What? And then here's your stake. So you want to turn it around and then stake it into the ground. Make sure that yours has the stake, because as I was pulling this off of the display, the stake fell through and I almost didn't notice it. So make sure you're looking out for that. And then, what do I have left? 2 more products left. I found this shoe eraser. It's a sneaker cleaner. I've never seen this at Dollar Tree before. Just add water. Easily cleans white soles. My daughter has like her Air Force Ones or whatever, and she's been asking me to help her clean them, and I'm just like, huh? How do you clean shoes? I mean, a magic eraser would probably be a really good, that's how I cleaned her chair shoes. I would just use like a magic eraser to make them more white, but I don't know. I'm sure I could YouTube some videos on it. But anyways, shoe eraser, I thought that was really cool. And this product right here, I'm about to test this out. Wide angle smartphone lens. What? And then it shows you the before and after of using it. So this is after. I'm trying this right now on camera. There's my phone. Okay, so you're supposed to just clip it right over where the camera is, but let's see. I'm confused. Whoa. That it works. I don't know if you can see it, but So here is what the phone looks like without the clip. Just kind of notice how much is in the picture. You can see obviously my camera and me, a little bit of the ceiling, and a little bit of the backdrop. So now let's go ahead and add the clip. And do you see that? Look how much of the ceiling. You can see that I'm a lot smaller in the screen. You can see more of the actual backdrop. You can actually see the fireplace. Like, that is just absolutely crazy. I mean, look, even if I were to pull the camera up super close to what it looked like before, you can still see more of the ceiling. You can still see the fireplace behind there. That is nuts to me, but there you have it. I really don't know what else to say. So I'm just gonna end this video. I hope that you guys had a really good time sitting down, me sharing these things. This by far is really impressive for $1. I'm thoroughly shooked. So, shooked? I don't know, don't care. That's it.